I'm Sean.
I'm Rob.
This is a graphic equalizer display.
And essentially what we have here is we have this chip that has a bunch of filters in it, so that way it filters sound to go based off of this waveform. So it samples based off the clock, and it samples the different frequencies as they come through. And basically to make this work, we had to initialize the ADC and the LCD so that they would do their thing. And now when we play music through the laptop, which will also come through the speaker, it will show up on the equalizer.
Turn up the music, but
well, if we turn it up too high, then the amplitude on the equalizer gets
maxed out.
Yeah, so we just need a more powerful speaker.
Cool.
And it has 7 different bands in the chip, so to make the equalizer look a little more full, we had to double up the bands. And it's receiving a stereo input.
Want to talk a little bit about software? How does the software work?
Well, once both the ADC and the LCD are initialized, then it goes into the code basically saying that once it goes, there's the clock, which is represented here, and basically per clock cycle it inputs whatever data, so if it's 63 Hertz, 160 Hertz, whatever bandwidth it may be, which also corresponds to this drawing here to see exactly how the filters are arranged. And once it receives that input, it converts it based off the amplitude of the signal, and that amplitude is then shown on the equalizer.
Okay, great, thanks guys.